So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the coming soon on all the social media. First things we'll do is we'll just read the notes right here. So make sure you only use the ad marketing photo for the Facebook ad, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. And then we'll use the top 25 best photos for Blue and Craigslist. And then we won't use the ad photo for Blue and Craigslist. Craigslist, they don't accept links, so make sure to eliminate the Zillow link when you do that. And eliminate the emojis and hashtags when posting to Blue. Also, make sure to fix the spacings when posting everything out. We could always refer to the coming soon ad on Facebook that we did in step 9 because we already edited all this content below. So let's start by creating the coming soon ad. So if we click on this link, always brings us to Canva. We always duplicate the first photo. In this case, this was actually the ad that we did without the professional photography. So what we would do actually is we would just change this photo since this information is correct. If we don't have an open house, then just get rid of this content and write coming soon. But we should always have an open house. And so let's substitute this photo with the new professional photos that we got. So always Edwards Home Squad, EHT Squad, clients, active listings. Click on the listing itself. We'll go into listings, and we're going to the photos. And now we should have all the professional photos in here. So if we click on the file, and then we should have the top 25 best photos. And there we go. Now for our Facebook ad, yes, we do want to use the best photo, which should be labeled as best photo. So let's click on that, open it up, and there we go, it pops in. So now we have our new image right here. And again, how Canva works, let's rearrange this, go back, back, back. There we go. Now it's all uploaded, and that looks good. This information, just make sure to confirm that that is correct. And let's move forward. So let's download the image it's going to be uploaded online, so it's going to be a JPEG. And I know this is the downloading of page number 2, so let's download that. Okay, here we go. Now it pops up here. Let's click on the download. And here it is. Cool. So now we'll save this into the marketing area in the correct listing. So Google Drive again, EHT Squad, clients, active listings, pick on the listing, listings itself. We go into marketing, advertising review. There we go. Now we can post it in the advertising review section. So let's move it there. I've already done this before, so that's why it says we've already have it, but I'm just going to replace it. And now we're done. Great. So now we've done the first step, which was we've created the coming soon ad. Now we're going to post on Facebook. So let's click on the Facebook link. And something you can do is, here's the template, right? We can copy and paste the template, change all the information out. But since we already know that we've done that in the last, when we did step 9, we already know that that's already been re-edited. And this was what we did where was it? This is what we did last time, the coming soon. So I already know that I can copy this because it's the same information. I'll come up here, make my post, and then if this stuff pops up, just like exit out because it's not what we want. Okay, and then so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna upload the image, the marketing image that we created. which was it was in the advertising review, and it was the Facebook coming soon with the new photo. There we go. And then Facebook allows more images to be uploaded. So I'm doing the quick version of how to get to the photos. And we could just put all the photos as well behind the ad. So we have the ad, and then we have all the best 25 best photos. And then we would just share that. Once we're done with that, we'd be done with the Facebook part. So let's click on that. We're done with the Facebook. Now let's upload the ad to LinkedIn. Keep in mind, so the ad marketing, so we've done that for Facebook. Now we're moving to LinkedIn. So let's click on LinkedIn. And let's make a post. So let's start the post, and we'll paste. It's all the same content. And scroll down. And so for LinkedIn, they only allow one photo, so we can only put the marketing photo up there. So let's click on the photo. And I already know that it's an advertising review, and this is the new coming soon Facebook. Open that, and there we go. And so we can press next, and here's the post, here's the ad, and we just post that, and we're good. All right, so we'll be done with Facebook and LinkedIn, and now for Twitter. Twitter, if you don't know, they only allow a shorter amount of text. So what I did below here is I put in the short version text of what we would use. So let's just go to Twitter, open it up, and we could delete, get out of there. And so if we are just, let's do the start a tweet. So press tweet, and if we post everything, right, it's not going to let us do it. And that's why down below here, I put the information that we can use, because this should all fit. So if you actually copy the for Twitter information, you can go back, just delete that, I was just showing you. If you copy and paste this, all this information should fit, because when we do the spacing, it should allow us to fit everything in. And so let's see what happens here. So let's just fill in the correct information. 7, let's just say this was 17, 19. Put the address, price. Make sure you put the correct agent in here if you need to. And then the Zillow coming soon link, which we've already created. So how we'd find it, we just hop into, we already posted, we could check out our Facebook page, and we already have the link here that we created last time. And we could just post that right here. So, okay, so it's in red, and this might happen. And so if this does happen, we can get rid of some stuff. Like, for example, let's just get rid of this. There we go. Coming soon. Because coming soon, see it before it hits the market. That's repetitive. Anything that's repetitive, I can take out, so we can make this work. And then we would just put the image in, and here was the image that we created. And that's it. And you would just tweet, and you'd be done. All right. So now we've done Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Now we're going to hop on to Blue. What Blue is our Pacific Sotheby's page where all the agents can talk to each other. So keep in mind that for Blue, we're going to use the top 25 best photos, and we're not going to use the ad because I'm not creating an ad for other agents. So let's just click on the link. We get rid of Twitter. We get rid of Canva. I like to keep Facebook up. And so this is what we do. So we're going to press this plus button up here. And first thing is the loop. It's a coming soon, right? So we're going to do coming soon. Folder is the area. The area is Carlsbad. And the title is, so now this is where we hop back and forth. And this is where I like to hop back and forth from Facebook, because the title is always going to be the first line. So title is that, and then remember, we're not using hashtags and emojis for blue. So all we have to do is just take out the hashtags, emojis, spacing, okay. And then property description, we've already written this out. So we can literally just highlight everything else, right? And then we can paste that. Again, for blue, we get rid of all the emojis and the hashtags. Change the substitute for a normal $, hashtag, and then I'll come back and do the spacing. So delete, 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 normal $, delete. Okay, now the spacing. So I like to do a spacing after. We could do a lot more spacing on blue to make it look clean. Spacing, features, spacing after the features, spacing right there for the Zillow, and then spacing for the signature that's right there. And there you go. Then the price, you just add the price, $9.79. Bedrooms, whatever it is. Okay, you have the information. Okay, this one's attached, but if it's detached, you would put, so whatever it is. This one, I think it was $15.85. Make sure you do know the information, and then you just mention the team members, right? So mention me, Quinn. Mention Marion. Marion Edwards, and then mention Travis Edwards. There we go. There's our team. If you like, you can put hashtags and just do what you'd like. Like for example, I know this is in the Carlsbad, right? So Carlsbad. This is just additional stuff. So it's just fun things we could do, like Carlsbad Entertainer's Dream. Okay, type in Carlsbad. I know this is in the Village. I know it's right next to the beach. Let's see if I could type in Ocean. Ocean. Just type Ocean. But anyways, hashtags are just for fun. And then we could put in the top 25 photos. So again, I already know it's in the top 25 photo file. And so we just highlight it, open it up, and they'll all download. So let it download completely before you post it. And it might take that should be pretty quick actually. See how they're all downloading? And they should all be in the correct order too, because that's how we uploaded it. So, done. It's actually going pretty quick. And 100%, done. And then you just post it. And that is it for blue. So we're done with blue. So boom. Click that. Last thing is Craigslist. We're doing the 25 posts again. And remember on Craigslist, they don't allow the Zillow link, so we'll just get rid of that. And so let's hop into, where am I? Let's hop into Craigslist. So what we do from this page, we'll do a new post, and we're pretty much always going to be in San Diego. So let's find San Diego, and here it is right here. And then we'll just press go. We're in we're normally in North San Diego County, but this can change depending on location. And then we're doing housing offered, and then we're doing real estate by broker. And what is this? Okay. So I will abide by the guidelines, and now we make our post. So the posting title, again, I always keep Facebook up because it just has information easily accessible. Okay. So the posting title is that, and Craigslist allows emojis, so we can just keep it. And then we're going to do the city, which is Carlsbad. And the zip code here is 92008 for this listing. And then the description, again, we always just come back and we copy and paste everything. Let's copy everything, and we'll paste it. All right, and I could drag this down so we can see everything easier. So let's see. Like I said, on Craigslist, they allow you to have all of the emojis, so we can just keep it all. But like I mentioned earlier, they don't allow links. So let's get rid of the link, and we're good after that. Again, add the price, $9.79, fill out this information. Housing, this particular house is a townhouse, square feet. It was 15, let's just say it was 1585. Laundry, yes. Laundry, in-unit, parking, attached. I remember this one was 3-car. Okay, this one I think was, okay. Select, select availability date. So you should already know this information. And let's just say we're available. It's gonna go on the market on the 26th, okay? And then the date of the open house is, you can pick, it'll let you pick, and usually it's on a Saturday. So let's just say we're going on the market on whatever the open house date, but you'll have to find the correct date. Licensed, okay, so we are a licensed agent. You can just copy and paste the license in there. And then show my phone number. That's fine because we want them to call us. So put the agent's phone number, 760. For this agent, it's Mickey, so her number is 644-4433. But if it was mine, you would put my phone number. Contact name is the agent. So for this listing, it's Marion Edwards. And then, yes, we do want to show the address because that's the whole point. It's a listing, right? So the address, whatever the address was, I think okay, let's just say we're promoting Carlsbad Boulevard and Carlsbad. All right. So we filled out all the information. So let's press continue. You can move this if it's not correct. Like, for example, I know that the address is right here actually. So make sure it is correct. So press continue, and now we're just going to add the top 25 photos. Boom. Copy, add that in, let it load, and then once it loads, we're going to press done with images. So let's let that load. Let it load. And one more. Okay, so it only lets us use 24. That is fine. That's completely fine. So we'll press done with images, and we'll see, be able to preview the ad. There we go. And then once we're done, boom, press publish. And we'll be done with that. So now we're done with Craigslist. And then I'll have to show you guys how to post on the Instagram at another time. Basically, because it's on the phone, so you're just going to copy and paste the Facebook ad on the Instagram page. That's basically it. I'm going to check off that for now. And then, boom, you're done. So now we're just going to message that the task is complete. So if we scroll down, we just highlight that, right? We can paste it, and we do the ats to the agents. So at Marion, at Quinn, I'll pop up, but since this is my profile, I'm not popping up. And then at Travis, and boom, comment. And then you'll be done with all of this. And that's the end of the video.